Welcome to Carol and Gary's See America Tour.
Hello again, everyone. On February 3rd, Carol, Jasper, and I visited the Audubon Bird Sanctuary on the east end of Dauphin Island near Fort Gaines. The bird sanctuary is of vital importance because it is the largest segment of protected forest on Dauphin Island. Because Dauphin Island is a barrier island, it is the first landfall for migratory birds after their long flight across the Gulf of Mexico from Central and South America. Here these birds, near exhaustion from their long flight, find their first food and shelter. It is also their final stop before their return flight each fall. The bird sanctuary is 164 acres of maritime forests, marshes, and dunes, including a lake, a swamp, and a beach. With over 3 miles of walking trails, many of the locals use these trails for exercise. The Lake Loop Trail follows a boardwalk from the parking lot into Gaylord Lake, where turtles and an occasional alligator and wading birds can often be seen. The Dunes Edge Trail follows the beach behind the dunes and is made up of a variety of flowering weeds, grasses, and woody plants. The Upper Woodlands Trail meanders through a dense pine forest, interspersed with magnolia trees, wax myrtle bushes, and yaupon holly plants. At one point on the Lake Loop Trail, a raised observation platform allows you to look out unobstructed over the lake. Here's that view. Don't see any alligators or wading birds today. That wasn't much of a view. Let's try this. From the swamp observation platform, we could see that the swamp was pretty dry. This is another area of the swamp where we could see more water. When we made it to the dunes, signs and fences warned us to stay on the hiking trail. Foot traffic in the dunes area disrupts the vegetation that holds the sand in place. This leads to the destruction of bird nesting areas and facilitates dune damage during storms. And as a quick clarification before I go on, the dunes don't extend all the way to the water's edge. They account for approximately half of the white area on this map. After passing through the dunes area, we made it to the beach. Just offshore, we could see a small, what appeared to be man-made island covered with pelicans and other large birds. I decided to circle the island with my drone, but didn't want to scare the birds, so unless you're watching this on a large screen, you won't be able to see many birds. Dauphin Island has been named one of the top 4 locations in North America for bird viewing, but the best time for viewing is during the spring or fall migrations. The spring migration is from the middle of March through the 1st of May, so we will plan to make it out here again before leaving. Here are some of the trees and vegetation that we passed on our way back to the car. This was a very enjoyable afternoon. If you like this video but have not yet subscribed, please do so to be notified of future videos, and as always, feel free to share with your friends. Thanks for watching.